everybody, my name is Sasha, this is Wendy, and today we're going to show you how to draw a rocket ship. First we're going to need our paper, next we're going to need our pen. Thank you, Wendy. Now we can get started. Alright, let's get started. For our rocket ship, we're going to have ours go in a direction in the corner here. So it's like it's flying up in the angle. We're going to draw a slightly curved line like a big smile. We're going to find the middle of that line and we're going to bring our pen in a straight line up, and you're going to decide how tall or how long you want your rocket ship to be. From the top, we're going to do a curved line down. So nice curved line and touch. And then come on this side, nice curved line and touch. If you have a little bit of a gap, just fill it in. Alright, what we're going to do next is we're going to do the base of our rocket. And so we're going to come in a little bit, not the edge, in a little bit. We're going to do a line that goes in at an angle, in at an angle, and you're going to do the same curve. So we want the same curved line. All right. Next, we're going to do the engines. We're going to do 3 engines. So we're going to do 3 little smiles. So 1, 2, 3. We're going to connect them with lines that are curving and they go in, 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 in. We're going to give each one a little stripe, and remember, our engines are circular, they're round. So we want to have nice curved lines. We don't want it to look flat. And we're going to draw next our flames. So our flames, we want them all to be a little different. So from here, we're going to come out. We're going to make little triangles. One long, short. Maybe this one is long, short, long. Maybe this one is long, short, short. All right, so they're all a little different. You can put in a little bit of line. It gives a little bit of motion. It makes it look like it's really going out. All right. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put on our wings. We want to put on our wings before we do anything in the middle because our wing is going to take up some space in here. So we're going to do our side wings first. We're going to try and find somewhere in the middle. We're going to come down a little bit. You're going to draw a straight line at an angle. It's going to come down. And when you get to the same height here, we're going to curve and come in. So you're going to come across, try and get them the same height. We're going to come down. And when we're about the same here, we're going to curve in. So we have 2 wings on the side and we need one in the middle. So we're going to find where this lines up. We're going to find the middle, and that's where this one is going to start. This line is going to come all the way down to this one because that's where these lines stop. So we're going to draw a nice line in the middle. And this time, we're going to come out. And then we're going to come in. So if you see, this line is much longer than this one. And this makes it look like this wing is coming right at you. So it's going to be going around the whole rocket. Next, we're going to draw our window. They need to be able to see. So we're going to draw a nice big circle. And we're going to draw another circle inside. You want to try and keep your lines about the same thickness all the way around as best you can. I know it is hard. And then we're going to draw little circles inside with little space in between. And these are our bolts. This is what keeps our window on our rocket. To make it look like it's not just a hole, we're going to do some streaks. So some lines that go at an angle that are different sizes in different places, like so. This makes it look like there's some glare and it's a glass. Our last little bits are going to be our detail, our stripes. One is going to be the top here is going to have a line so that you can color this in separately. And again, remember, it has to be curved. So we want to have nice big curved line like so. And if you would like to, you can decorate your rocket how you like down below. I'm going to do one more stripe like we have here. And I'm going to do a nice curved line. Pick up my pin. Continue in the same direction. Continue. I'm doing another curved line and it's going to be parallel to the one I just drew. Stop, pick up your pin and continue. And there we have our rocket. If you would like, you can always draw in some planets. You can draw in some stars. We have our planets, nice big circles. You can design your planets how you like. This is up to you. Maybe you have another little planet over here. Maybe you have another planet over here. Maybe this one is Saturn. And so this one has the rings around it. So we're going to draw a nice big circle. I like to draw my Saturn a little bit different because it's a little more unique. Remember, it does not have to be how you see it in pictures and how you see it in books. This is your art, this is your design, your creativity. So I like to make mine have a double ring. Like so. And this is my Saturn. You can do little stars, you can do little circles. You can group them in threes, you can group them in twos, maybe one. Maybe you draw an actual star. Draw in a few more actual stars. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed our video and I hope that you fill up your page with lots and lots of different items. You can do alien spaceships. I'll be doing another video on how to do an alien ship. You can watch that one and you can add it into this one. You can add in planets. You can add another rocket. Maybe it's going in a different direction. Maybe it's got a little bit of a different pattern. Maybe you have someone inside and he's looking out. Think outside the box, everybody. Remember to have fun with your work. Thank you everybody for watching our video. We hope to see you soon. Until next time, I'm Sasha. This is Wendy. Bye-bye.